Hello, lovelies. Thank you and welcome once again to Abinasia's Recipes. In today's video, I share with you how I made this delicious goat meat pepper soup. Let's get right into it. To the blender, I add onion, garlic, ginger, habanero peppers, scallion, aniseed, water, and then I'll blend until smooth. To the pot, I add in my goat meat, goat tripe, my blended vegetables, beef seasoning or any seasoning of choice, salt. I'll add my tomato paste and then I'll give it a good stir. I'll also add grain of salim or huintia. I'll cover it and allow it to steam for about 10 minutes. 10 minutes later, I'll check on the meat, I'll stir it up and allow it to steam for 5 more minutes. My meat has steamed beautifully. I'll add my fresh tomatoes, garden eggs, some more habanero peppers and onion, and then I'll add in my water. I'll give it a gentle stir and then we'll leave the soup to boil. As soon as the soup begins to boil, I'll add in my smoked catfish or Adwen and then we'll allow the soup to boil for about 15 minutes or until the vegetables are tender. If today is your first time on this channel, a warm welcome to you. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you have not subscribed yet, please kindly do me a favor and subscribe so that you can be part of this family. So it's been 15 minutes. I'll go on to remove my vegetables and then we'll blend and bring it back into the soup. I'll throw in more habanero pepper for extra heat and then I'll allow the soup to boil for another 10 to 15 minutes. And at this point, I was getting my fufu ready, guys, because I'll be pairing this delicious soup with fufu. And to my amazing subscribers, thank you so much for your support and always coming back to watch my videos. Thank you for sharing and commenting. God bless you. You can adjust your salt or add more stock cube if you prefer. But the soup was just perfect and I didn't need any extra salt or any extra seasoning. And the soup is ready to be served. And like I said, I'm serving this with fufu, but you can enjoy this with any starch of choice, whether it is rice, yam, or plantain. I hope you give this soup a try. And if you do, please kindly leave me a feedback and let me know how it turned out. Until I come your way next time, please stay safe and stay blessed. Bye, guys.